Hi dear friend, welcome to the SOC Classes Tech. In this video, we are looking the workshop of class 9 English 1.4, the story of the thief. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then first subscribe it. If you want to get more videos, then you can join our Telegram channels, and otherwise all videos links are given in the description. Go and watch it. Let's begin this video. First question is that list all the names of geographical places mentioned in this passage. Answers are Assam, China, Cambodia, Darjeeling, Nilgiris. Second question, make a smaller words using the letters in the given words. At least 5 words each. Actually, act, all, tall, alley. Refreshing, fresh, refresh, ring, sing, and twin. Immediately, dial, eat, die, mat, date. Investigation, invest, nation, station, nest, west. Meditation, 10, edition, meet, edit. Enjoyable, enjoy, able, joy, enable, noble. Loneliness, lone, fun, line, nine, less. Friendship, friend, ship, and try, find. Third question, from the passage, copy correctly and that any three sentences that begin with the how. So these three sentences are: how and when did people first begin to drink? How did tea first come to India? How about India? Next question is that find the meaning of the following from a good dictionary. First word, that is the infusion. It means that a drink, remedy, or extracted by a soak tea leaves or herbs in a liquid. Restorative means able to bring back health. Inscription means the words carved on the stone. Radical means forming an inherent or fundamental part of the nature of something. Connoisseur, a person who is especially competent to pass critical judgment in a matter of taste. Fifth question is that list the word related to the agriculture and chemistry from this passage. So those words are plant, rainfall, soil, tea, state, tea plant, growing, season, room, tea, seeds, leaves, tree, herbs, shrub, plantation, and finally seeds. So these are the some words, those are related to the agriculture. Next is that chemistry, infusion, carbohydrate, fat, protein, quinine, caffeine, stimulant, antidote, poison, free radicals, antioxidant, flavonoids. So these are the some words. So those are related to the chemistry. Move to the next question. That is the complete the following sentences with the help of the passage. Camellia sinensis, sinensis is an evergreen plant that grow in tropical and subtropical climates. The teas we buy are usually classified according to the size of their leaves. In many countries around the world, tea drinking is an important social occasion. Our body produces chemical called free radicals. So these answers you may write by pausing this video. Next question is that prepare a flow chart to show the growth and journey of the tea from the plantation to our house. It means that when we plant the tea plant, from that time to the till the process, till the process. So whatever came in between in that process, in that journey, we have to see here. First one is that the plantation. Plus, first one is that the plantation means we have to plantation of the tea plants. Then we pick up the leaves from that plants. Then leaves we keep for dry. Then we leaves curve. Then leaves proceed. Then they are packed, and then finally they sold to us. So this is the flow chart of the journey of the tea from plantation to our home. Through this way that a tea powder came to our home. So dear friend, do you like this video? If you like, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. For more videos, please join our Telegram channel. Those links are given in the description. If you want to join the our Telegram channel, so those links are given in the description. You can go there and subscribe the my Telegram channels.